Good morning, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Eric.Kaneshiro. This morning we're going to show you the 2018 Work and Play. This is a toy hauler made by Forest River. The one unique thing about the Work and Plays is they are built like tanks. They are well constructed, lots of insulation. If you notice on the corners, you have all the aluminum siding on here, which will cover up all your corners and across your top up here. So what that does is it prevents any kind of leakage or any kind of separation on the unit here. It's a full fiberglass walled toy hauler. Now the unique thing about this is a short toy hauler. Up here in Oregon especially, there's a lot of places to go camping and people have lots of toys and they get them into tight spots sometimes. So this is a 21-foot toy hauler, so it fits in just about anywhere you want to go. It has a power awning across the top. And it has the upgraded solid steps on here. That's something new that's come out in the past couple of years. Makes it a lot easier to get in and out, and it's a lot sturdier. Now the one thing that's nice about this is because of the size, you have a large bathroom up front. This does not have a bedroom up front, the bedroom's in the back. But for a 21-footer, there'll be lots of storage. So as you can see, there's lots of storage in the bathroom. There's a big pantry and closet area up front, lots of drawers. It has a nice sized kitchen countertop here. Now being 21 feet, your bed is now going to be up here. It's an electric bed, you just push a button and it comes on down. Nice thing about this is a large cargo area for all your toys, your quads, and your bikes. And the one thing nice about this being a 21-footer, this has a 5,000-pound carrying capacity, so you can carry lots of weight in here, and that's a nice thing about the Work and Play. You can carry lots of weight, it's well constructed, lots of insulation in the walls. It's good if you want to take it out on the dunes and out in the woods and wherever you want to go. Like I said, it's built like a tank. A couple things up front here. It has larger propane tanks, 7.5-gallon propane tanks. It does have a spot for a generator. It does not come with a generator, but they do have a spot for the generator on here. Again, this is a 21-foot Work and Play. It's very short, carries lots of weight. Like I said, a 5,000-pound carrying capacity. If you have any questions, please call me. My name is Eric.Kaneshiro at 541-912-4396. Guaranty RV. Thank you very much.